we always dig deep in our stories, right? And carry the factual stories, And anybody we see trouble, and we can cool it out, we cool it out. Now we have some big problem with a sound we name culture blend. Me know about the sound, yeah. I mean, hear something about it before. Now the owner of the sound and his wife linked me when around 2 days ago, about some things and send me the documents and want to talk about culture blend because they have some little mix up with who own the sound and everything. So me I just allow the owner to talk, his wife, and then I can talk to him in a part 2 later when him coming back. How you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, good. All right, so I'm pretty much going to start from the beginning.
Yes.
Because a lot of people really don't know that. Some persons do, but not a lot of people don't really like to get involved.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas some people, they don't, and they just go with what's available right there before them.
Mm-hmm.
The whole history behind culture blend. Okay, so back in 1995, that is when Rayvon came to the United States, right? My husband was already in the United States, already in use of culture blend, because the foundation of culture blend started in Piscataway High. My husband created culture blend on a radio show where he decided to bring everybody together in the school, different cultures, because music is something that he decided to use to let people understand who he was, because he was a different nationality. He was from Trinidad. Persons didn't understand who he was, so this is how he reached out, and he went about with other students as well. But that's where it started. We have articles informing people of this, that this is where culture blend came from. Now, when culture blend came about, Rayvon was playing on a different song which is called Sweet Sensation, whereas culture blend was already there. Rayvon and my husband, they met up, they became friends. The friendship is so big, it is so far where people didn't even know that they weren't brothers. Everything Rayvon and Marissa in high school. Now my husband left for the military. Culture blend was still going on, but Rayvon was on Sweet Sensation, but it wasn't brought out into the music world as it is right now. My husband left for the military in late 1997, early 1998, which is when Rayvon took culture blend out to the public. But at that time, my husband went into the military. My husband gave Rayvon culture blend. He said to him, listen, I'm going away into the military. You're on Sweet Sensation. But guess what? You can do so much more with this culture blend while I'm away.
Hold on. So when you say gave it to him gave it to him, or him just give him to operate?
Gave it to him to operate. Remember, they're school kids, so legal. Okay. No, it wasn't anything legal at that time, because it's something that they both of them initiated. But my husband said to him, come on board with culture blend. I'm going to give it to you right here while I'm away. Not to say here is yours. While I'm away, you can operate culture blend while I'm away. So my husband handed over to him some, them old-time records and stuff and everything. But before he actually left, they were also doing it already as culture blend, because my husband was telling him what the dreams are, what is it that we're going to do. Rayvon said, okay, yes, we can do that. And then he came on board as a DJ. You understand?
Yeah.
My husband went away into the military. Rayvon had it over here. And he would go out and then, started doing a little culture blend thing in New Jersey. Now, while he's here with culture blend in New Jersey, my husband is in the military away, but he's still functional as the person that created culture blend and the owner and everything, because nothing on culture blend got done without my husband say so, even when in New Jersey. Every little DJ that used to come on Culture Blend while he was away and nobody knew of him, Raven had to get in contact with my husband and say, hey, we're going to do this. When Simeon was going to come on it, they call him Shaggy. He couldn't just go on it like that. Raven had to call my husband or email and tell him this is what I'm going to do. Him get the go ahead, him do it. You understand? Fundings, everything. Even when my husband is in the military, every little dog walk out and stuff like that. And my husband send the money from the military to Raven. Raven don't have any fundings. You understand? The only thing he was there to do was to just be the DJ and just do his own thing in New Jersey while my husband was away. But while my husband was in the deployed overseas, he was also building Culture Blend. That's why when I say to persons, Culture Blend is not only limited to New Jersey or the US. He's known internationally. You understand? So when this thing blew up on the internet, when he went out and that little radio show and everything and people started to talk, that's when the whole drama came in because it reached other ears. They don't know how powerful social media is, and a lot of people just limit the whole social media medium.
No, social media medium. If Facebook alone have 2.8 billion people, which radio station have that amount? No, every radio station depends on social media right now, and TV station. So social media coming like it is like a world to itself. You understand? In a world. So you know, bigger than that.
It's like a ripple effect. One little drop and it goes beyond. You understand? It's like a ripple. You know, you drop a stone in a river and you see just start, look how that ripple go. It goes on and on and on unless somebody comes in and interrupt it. You understand? But the ripple will continue. So that's what happened when Raven went on the radio station. Now let me go back to the story. So my husband is in the military. Raven is here. So he's building Culture Blend in New Jersey. Now bear in mind, every dub that is cut from them time, you hear Mega name in it. People don't know who is Mega, but they're seeing Raven, right? But every foundation dub from then coming up, everything it says Mega Raven.
Alright, make we get to the point now. Because you know, we're not gonna dry it up. Make we just get, can we still have a talk to your husband later when he come from work. So what you said now, Culture Blend, your husband really started that. Me say a radio, me have a paper now where you sent to me with my Culture Blend, but it's a radio club. We have like a radio program and thing, and it tell me about Culture Blend and thing. This is from Ushier.
There's two radio which one is that? The two links that I sent to you?
Yeah, send me one. I can show the people them. That one, I can show the people them this one. I'm gonna see it mark the Culture Blend. See the Culture Blend. A&R hip hop, that and that and that and that. So it's a radio club. With the lead and with some
that article?
Yes, this article.
That's the article. That is the article that shows that my husband started Culture Blend back in 1995.
Oh, this is an article from 95. Okay.
But that's the school article.
Yeah, that's the school article. Cause I see some school kids and things.
Right.
Okay.
That is the school article to show that this is where the foundation of Culture Blend is coming from. Now, there's another article that he sent out in Trinidad stating that him start Culture Blend from 1994 in Trinidad. You understand? Trinidad is a different continent. Who know about Trinidad back in 1994? What kind of dub him cut in 1994?
Come have some papers.
In the United States, nobody know about Culture Blend. You understand? That's what that article says. His story isn't straight enough. His story all over the place. Anyways, what the meat of the matter is, he went out and he registered. This is something that he was planning, He was planning. You understand?
Yeah.
Even when he went to, all of those dubs, everybody that talk about, my husband's name is not into it. If anybody know how Raven get about those dubs, Raven trick another investor. Yes?
Another investor.
Another investor. He tricked another investor because he's not investing in nothing. He tricked another investor to give him some money to go to Jamaica to cut those dubs. You understand? Behind my husband's back. But a lot of these persons don't know, And who you know and who know you. When he went to Jamaica, the same recording people them call my husband and say, wait, you they cut dubs and stuff like that without my husband knowing. My husband call him and say, where you do at Jamaica? Oh, you they cut dubs and stuff, but he using head. He said, listen, I cut me a couple some dubs for some new for some clash what they have with one. I think that was a clash that they lost and stuff. They were saying that my husband didn't know the music box and stuff like that. Those are the dubs. You understand? He cut them without putting my husband's name into it. But it's a different investor. So what he was trying to do was build the box, build culture blend for himself, and then at the end of the day, he just cut. He went just a wait for the right opportunity for just cut. He went behind Maricella's back, my husband's back, and cut the end up there with the investor. You understand? Trick that the man there.
So what that man name? Me have a friend tell me about talk. Yeah, what the man name?
Okay, his name is Kevin Road. Kevin John, aka King Road. King Road invested in Culture Blend. And how he invested in Culture Blend, Rayvon told King Road that he's the owner for Culture Blend. Him Rayvon. Not knowing that my husband is the owner. Because there was a little beef between my husband and Rayvon, because you can't between King Road. You can't have two rats dig one hole.
Yeah.
Rayvon play both sides. He told my husband say King Road is just an anonymous investor. Because you have persons like that, and anybody say that no make no sense. You do not know what business is. You have persons that will donate towards the business to grow without even knowing that it's like a shareholder thing. You understand, to say, okay, guess what, this is what I'm going to do, but without knowing the other party. So what Rayvon did was he trick Mr. King Road, cut the dub them, and trick my husband. You understand?
Okay.
So when my husband was cutting dubs, because my husband is still a cut dubs, you know. Still a cut dubs, not knowing that King Road a cut dubs at the same time. So there was a little rivalry between the two of them, because King Road said, how comes Rayvon can't talk to Maricela? You understand? Because you can't tell the boss what to do. Why is it that he's doing that? And you say you're the boss. So King Road was kind of hesitant a bit, and he started looking into it, because Rayvon can't talk to my husband. My husband said, do as he want to do. You understand? Without no turf, no territory, no guidance. But he tricked the two of them, and that is how King Road got into play. He tricked him. Now, let me kind of fast forward a bit, because he keep on dash this little thing in a social media when my husband said, let me big up the boss for a stage. I remember that clip it. People don't know the history behind things. Things can be, people can change up little things and make it seem the way how it isn't. There was this particular event that took place. Rayvon and my husband had an altercation at the back in California, and he said to my husband, yo, me don't like the fact say you came out to California and nobody don't know me. You understand? Me kind of feel that we may have come from far. You understand? Me just don't rate the whole situation. And they told him when I did back they have a problem. And he come out for the mic, because my husband is very diplomatic, you know. And my husband don't like problem or strife and stuff, and he tried to deal fear. Now just to make him feel comfortable in the event and stuff, we kind of, you know, introduce him, which part him can't carry him to say, okay, listen, this is just a friend or whatever. I said, big up the boss. You understand? Me hear enough man say other brethren are in boss. So the boss this, you know, but I know the boss. It's just a slogan. The boss. Paperwork talk.
Okay.
So he went and he said, big up the boss. You understand? And that was captured on audio.
Captured on audio.
It was captured on audio, but people don't know why my husband said that. He had a problem, because Rayvon always talk about my husband in California.
Alright, so hear this now. So me I say something here. So the other guy knows say your husband and the other investor by name Kevin John hereby declare all rights by sale of Megacilla Dixon for the share of the dubs I had purchased for a Culture Blend while being member of the price for the price of, I don't want to black it out, paid in full. And the date of the March the 8th, 2019. So your husband buy back all of them rights and it's signed. Okay. So your husband buy back the whole rights at the dub with the other man.
He said Kevin John sign over all rights.
Yeah, me know him sign over all the rights. Yeah man, me know and buy them. Yeah.
He turn over every single thing anything
To your
whatever
husband.
do with culture blend to my husband. My husband and him have an agreement because he talk. And before he do that, Raven call him and tell him, say, please, don't sell it dubs them to Mega. Please, him Raven beg me husband, beg King Road. But you see the level of disrespect what he do, or he just use him and stuff like that. King Road never care. He just say, can't believe say Raven do all of that. You understand? And he say just don't interested in a culture blend again. And my husband said, well, guess what? Culture blend are mine, and me know which part me I come from with it. So when me buy the dubs them from you. You understand? Me not
so all the dub now, both we know all the dub with even King Road tonight belongs to your husband. Belongs to
King Road. Anything was say King Road belongs to my
and
husband.
And the one them with your husband name tonight belongs to him
and
also.
And the one them belong to was a Mega belong to my husband. You understand? And my attorney send documentation over to when him Raven showing him all of that. You understand? And they say yes, we went into the process of trademarking culture blend. No matter about how we not have a LLC. Listen, we could have went to a LLC because anybody can take out a LLC. Him have a LLC for the Essex County. We could have go to one different county in New Jersey.
Yeah, but as I said before, it's not even a capture because if you have documents, you know, but some people understand if you have documents and things that prove that you farm your thing from when and when, override that. Because you have to have proof of your things, you know. You understand? So you have to have proof of the things, the man kind of things. So, you know, and if you have, alright, you say, cut dub, have the receipt, but send him the money if you go cut the dub, if you have all of them receipt, that's all good too. And
that's right.
Yeah, so if you have all of these things, we're not have to worry about nothing.
We're not worry about that, because as I said before, we have to take a legal stance to it. And he have this thing where matter about my husband go to everything, he run go to police. Listen to me. Me love my husband. He not have to take police avenue, you know. But guess what? We not bad man. Musical love. Me tell my husband don't go to no dance or whatever. Pick no fight with nobody, you know. Take the law.
The husband's a soldier, don't?
Yeah, my husband
is a
military man.
Military, alright. So.
You understand?
He deal with the law, yeah, man.
Right. So when we might go for a radio station about everything they wrong, go call police. Everything they wrong, who wants to be the go call? We're not bad man. Yeah? My husband no kill bad man. My husband no deal with badness. You understand? So when time they do them foolishness and put it out on social media, which part it affects the family, because it does. You understand? The only thing we have to do is take it up with the law. Because when time nothing happen, the first thing people do are go to police, even though they might go on like say, police is a problem. You understand? They might go to police too. Now, Raven, at about we have a personal issue dealing with. If you ever know, say, it mix up in that, the personal issue there too, because we can't go to court for that too. So people don't know the levels this go to. That personal issue we matter about, he's also a part of that personal issue too. You understand? Him use that little situation there and went openly with it. He's not a friend. You understand? Because he knows the truth. But because he went one, just my husband feel slip up a bit. Because you know, so them look at something that people look at it a different way. He just went one ruin my husband's credibility so he can't come to the front line with his thiefness. You understand? Okay. So we have to deal with the situation piece by piece. We deal with the personal situation when they put out on social media, they blog too. But I don't hang up on the radio station to talk about it. He can't talk about it. And yes, he when they endorse it because everything they post me screenshot because guess what? Law me deal with.
Okay.
Because not care what. Everything they post makes sense to me screenshot it. You understand? So when time matter about my husband, I run go to police and all of those things, I make sure I go by the legal way. Me stand up for myself, I stand up for my husband, my family come first. So he knows what's happening. He's a part of that small little issue what went so global. Him push it too. Because he's not a good friend and he know the situation. And he knows all of that was lies. But he still go behind it because he want teeth his own.
Okay. So we not having a dub plate them though. We not having the things them though.
We have listen, anything where you see boss except for the new song them why he have a drop in the new people them what they ride with the false news and why we not have that. We don't need to cut that. You understand? But anything on say King Road and anything prior, because he can't go nowhere else go play without the foundation of culture blend. And he can't stop my husband from do anything. You understand? If you're a real boss, you shut that down. But you know why him do? It's a strategy, plan, a thief, you know. He went behind my husband back and he registered the LLC and he hold on for that, you know. But you see, when time God in a situation, he always leave a way for justice come true. He just go register a little thing and think so that is it. Or you have to register and still did they do what you do. You understand? And then you know what, on top of it too, you might tell people about how my husband go register a new company. Let me tell you plain and straight. My husband don't limit himself to certain things. You know? He have a businessman and he married somebody who very business wise too. I love money and I time to tell him that on social media. Money make me comfortable. You understand? My husband go start Mega Blade Entertainment, which Raven had an issue with because Raven didn't want my husband to keep a dance with a girl by the name of Escalade because people say she a lesbian and she a this and that. But money no follow stereotype. I stereotype when they come out for money because when you go in a courthouse, you go to police and everybody. You don't know what a man do in a bedroom. So if another man tell me that me no business, come in a day in there. You understand? So Raven tell my husband say, him can't keep no dance with Escalate because people they say she a lesbian, you know, want mix up with lesbian and all of this stuff there. That was a problem. So my husband say, now put you on a culture blade. But he use Mega Blade. So use Mega Blade, hon. Use Mega Blade Entertainment. Use Mega Blade Entertainment which he register. You understand? Because me see which part my husband can make tons of money off of this music situation. You understand? So me say register Mega Blade Entertainment, which part we can use that for your recording or your whatever. And you left the whole clash. You can't mix clash with what you do. So put that. Then we say, okay. Then Mr. Team say, all right. But we're going to do the original culture blend right now. Anything me tell my husband when it comes down to the music aspect, we both are still going to negotiate it. Because we say, okay, this is this and that. So we registered. So a three different entity that, you know, culture blend, the original culture blend and Mega Blend Entertainment. And you're going to tell me, well, oh, my husband can't do that? You can't tell a man what to do. So if you just sit down and just work with culture blend, what the businessman to that, you're supposed to be able to expand and do a lot of things. You know much people come to me with endorsement because of this culture blend and original culture blend thing, because it's a cultural thing, you understand? Culture means it's so diverse, it can be any nationality.
So what the ultimate, if you talk to your husband later when him come from work still and mash a part two, yeah? And yeah, because them have to find a solution for this because we have the documents. Now see the documents. Me see all of them. Me have them. Me see the license agreement. Me see cease and desist. Me see that one there.
We reach out to Raven, and we reach out to Raven. We don't reach out as no partnership because Raven never went hired as a partner. He hired as a DJ. You understand?
Okay.
He hired as a DJ. But it's because of the fact that he was when my husband come back, he set the foundation which part people know about culture blend and stuff. You're not gonna get about fire a DJ because you feel say too popular. He might bring money. Every company like they have an employee what they do and do. You're gonna fire him? You're not gonna fire him. You're gonna make him go and carry music, he might carry money come to your business. You understand? Okay.
So when the sound play, let's get this straight. When the sound play, when you get on a PSA, when you get on the money and everything same way. Used to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Used to. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, understand. So I know for them. Another thing that I don't like and I don't understand. There's this sound thing is a two-faced thing because one, and then again, that's why I tell my husband don't really pay attention to the comments and stuff. The only time me have a problem is when I see him go live and the broadcast, they look at something here. They look at radio show and they tell like those are when I have a problem. But sometimes I see him post a little foolishness and the man them a comment because sometimes see him 75% and then comment there. We then guide they comment, they come back and talk to my husband, but boy, I can't believe saying to that to you by boss. Because my husband go for so much of their money what they jump off for Raven Bagwagon on social media. And they never ask my husband to cut them matter, but boy, I can't believe saying to that. So two-faced.
Oh, so them are double mouth machete.
They might double side machete. Money and cut up for them boy and then sitting and then when time Raven are posting foolishness, they know say what Raven are doing damn foolishness and nobody not stand up to you. That's why I say when time you do double so you make sense you do it straight and I be not lenient and nothing. If a man can't pay money, he just can't pay money.
So the whole line is each time your husband send money or you know have the receipt for them there.
We have this stuff there.
Okay. The whole line is
yeah,
because I see the thing from high school. I see the thing from high school. Come here, have it right in front of me when I just show the people. And then me say uno buy, uno purchase even the other dub them from the guy where him signed to this and thing. And me have other me have documents, me record for documents, me record for proof, you know. So, you know, when me say these things now, me have to drop an interview because them thing. Me no record for who said this first. Me record for proof like them thing. You understand? A liar. So I have them front of me. Enough thing in front of me.
Show wine go pan, right? I said to them, because the one wine go pan in a West Coast, because me not really follow them something, you know, they just drop anonymously. But when I saw it, I didn't just get up and say, yo, don't do it. I called and I said, listen, I don't know if it has been brought to your attention, but there's a legal issue going on with this situation here between that party and my party. You're using the term culture blade. Culture blade is a representation of my company. And I said, if you need documentation, I can send it to you so you can validate my documents and his documents before you perform with the radio show. Because if you're going to keep a show, you need to use the right person. I said, I'm not going to tell your show that not to go on. Just call me and make me come on funny because I'm your culture blade. You're using the wrong entity. The radio show say them non-profit or whatever, and they're still gonna follow through. So I texted back and I said, I understand you're non-profit, but from a legal perspective, you have guidelines where you have to follow as a radio show. You can't just get up and just do things without documentation. Because I told you that this is something that's being taking place legally. You understand? But anyways, they follow through, he put out him thing, and he once again he come back and he go up on the radio show and he say, oh, we they grown, and they say we they do trademark, and him do trademark too. And
but hear this now, pan a serious note still. Where this are equal to, because by the end of the day, pan a serious note, right? Alright, say your husband gone overseas and him gone on tour and the brother him a bill it because your husband give him for bill. So it gonna start from scratch. Them a work and a start, but him a put the sound name out there. So where the outcome for him still? Because when you can't leave him out in the cold neither. But you want him to acknowledge that the both of them can exist.
My husband being the owner with the license, what we see we have there. So because my husband wasn't trying to be unfair. My husband
give him a percentage same way.
My husband said, okay, we're going to lease you a license. So every time you have to upgrade the license, we're going to put guidelines and stipulation to it. We don't have to make the public know we business. You understand? But it's going to be a license agreement which part me are the owner for me, but guess what? Me a license your culture to go on DOT. You understand?
Yeah, but
you want to strip him down.
That me I say, you know want to strip him down. You know why? Because me I listen to you, and you know, with all fairness now, me I listen to you. And if your husband more gone for work, him have the ears, him have to help build it, him cut the plate, them although you send the money. But him have to find the time and do all these things. You give him a percentage then. Work off a percentage instead of leasing, you know. If you just make everybody just settle and nice.
See the documents and there before you, but what he's painting a picture like, you might try to paint a picture like my husband, I try to kick him a boot.
No, because that will not be, that moon like that neither, because me listen to you.
That him want do, that him want do the opposite, and him want strip my husband which part.
No, him can't do that neither, because if a man spending money, that's a bit dishonest. So me want to play a balance game now. If me, alright, man, put your husband at the space then. Him gonna war. Him gone pan, you know, him get deployed, gone pan war all the time. But your husband, but him leave your husband and say, alright, me I go and fund this, and you go and build it, and him I take over the years. Me by your husband the pan war. But him a fund it, you know, him a spend the money, but him could have shook up the money and the son they get up neither. And him don't know where I do, but him I take the whole of the years and him I go and bill. So you understand? So when your husband done bill now, you know, your husband say, alright, me I can lease you a part of this instead of give him a percentage. That means the two can coexist, but you know you own your stone. But make him understand, but give him a percentage that coexist and the thing work and the whole want to make money and no good. You understand? But him no.
You know, see right before you. Let me tell you. Before, a lot of persons don't know, but before he even reached to where he reached, my husband tried to reach out to him on numerous occasions. I said, but we work out something.
You want to work out something. But the best thing right now on the street, music.
Tried, but Rayvon is great.
Let me try to reach to him and talk to him, because you know a next thing, because if him gonna spend the whole of the years, the man do that. right? And him gonna do that. Him gonna say, alright, but you gonna strip me and go on a license. It not gonna come down well, so him gonna try wrestle it from one and not try wrestle it up.
No,
Back
we
and
not try
forth.
wrestling. No. We not wrestle. We are wrestle.
Yeah, but
Me not try wrestling.
no, but in a
we
film
not try
eyes
work
then,
out
in a film
and
eyes,
female.
because if you gonna give him a license then, if you gonna give him a license, feel like every 3 years, you not gonna feel good about that because him said it. You understand me? I say, so what you gonna do?
Well, I feel far. That's not because I go to I take it public. Me said there's a radio show, you know, which part my husband do, you know. And the girl asked my husband, what is the situation with you and Culture Blend? My husband said, they have to discuss Culture Blend, and they have to discuss the dance for me to promote. Because that is what Raven should have done. That is being a business person. You don't need to know what they go on in my yard. You understand me? I tell her at least me come out. Raven go on the same show, and the girl asking the same question. Why couldn't we say me they have to promote me class for me to promote? He said, me tell you this, that the man is a what? Let's remember the term. Say he falls. In a real.
So that take personal job then. But music,
in a real.
yeah.
And then when he put out and say in a real, he's not Culture Blend and stuff like that on the radio show. Right away we get a call. Bombards, you know, so our radio show just put out a while ago which part they say, I know you're not have nothing to do with Culture Blend, you're not really an instigator all of it. Why
Yeah,
did he have to do
hear
that?
this now. You have some people out there, so you see them want to get views and want to get likes, and them always a kick up thing. And if you say him and him have come from school days or something, when they can't make some people drop front of one, you know, because somebody
can hear what me say,
no, me hear what you say, go up on the radio and say it, but sometimes.
And then afterwards, he hold on pan that, you understand?
Yeah, because hear this
hold
now.
Hold on pan that and start writing because he know why when they plan to do.
Work with me.
Every little thing.
Well, I work with me, sis. Work with me, sis. I'm going to talk to your husband. Come on, you know, you have a solution. Work with me. You have some people, even radio people. Me I tell you them stay. Them me just go to him and them boots him and say everything in the world for put on your husband and you, right? And then see him when I come back to you. Because them like see the riff. We have to smart, you know. You understand? And then him feel angry enough for himself one time because him have a feel say, alright, boom, bam, bam. And then it get you angry and your husband angry and then that them want to see. You have some enemy out there so they want to live, you know. But we as a sound, how we say music. You understand?
Yeah.
And we said something can work out even better than this. You see me I say? That's my opinion because him still put in man hours. Even though not spend the money. So, you know, so we work together and make sure because no, I found the thing, you know, we start on a thing. I want to start from school. On the show we say we start from school, right?
You know see the document.
Me see it, man. Me see the document. That's why I say it show me because I read me I look on it. But him alright. It's like this. Me I build something and I start with a youth from it young and say alright, boom bam 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 bam. Me I give you even at 25% of the company all are that something. You know, but you know, you have some people out there I put some riff. I want to see them think that too, you know. I want to see it and I want to reach to him too. Because it's a riff. You understand? And it don't make no sense. The sound can when I split up the sound now when the sound could have make money. After all the amount of years from 1995, when I have Culture Blend now, 2000 24 years that now, you know. 2019. So where and then him and your husband have come for 24 years, nearly quarter century. Maybe before, nearly quarter century. And then I can riff because of what? Them vanity. Oh man, come on, man. This is sound and thing. Don't some people will run to you and I run to him. We never start analyze them people here. Cause them work.
Yes. Nobody now run come to it because when time they come to it, we not come with no war. I say,
no, me know that, man. Come talk to you, so me know that. But you have some alright. You see, even the radio, like alright, you have some people. Me even if you ask, you have some people right now. We got boots in boop boop, and him run go to a radio station. Alright, so alright, boom boom. Come know some man and eager, you know. See, but me also want to work out the bottom line of this thing. I can reach you. I can talk to your husband. I can try reach to him too. Because the sound can go up there with the whole owner make money and the whole owner alright. Him for just acknowledge.
You know what hurts too? When him come on the radio show and say anytime we have a problem, we always come out victorious and all of this thing. My husband now push make climb a ladder because guess what? A Culture Blend, my husband now go stop him from climb because Culture Blend, you understand? It matter about every time we have a problem. When time we can go to police station or whatever, I know for the sound, you know. And that people understand when we can go when we brought him to come, we can go court and city, when we bring him to court, I don't feel sound, And when he got dip over in our personal life and put it out on social media. You understand?
Oh, okay.
And then people start act like them an idiot. You understand? And me not supposed to they're afraid to walk on road because I nobody over no music and they foolish.
Music, we are part of the music, so we are look solution. Yeah. Yeah.
So when time I talk about with a bad man, anytime when we care nobody go, I know because of the music. Don't pass the place on the personal business, and because we don't want in your personal life, we don't dip up in our personal life for. You understand?
Yeah, personal life. That's a no blow.
Exactly.
Personal life.
So don't
personal life.
This is a no
blow.
We run Ghana police. Everything we Ghana police. You dip up in our personal life, so we not protect ourselves. That's fair.
Can we talk about the music? Talk about the music, yeah. Can we talk about the music
now? Music, man. Don't deal with personal life on social media. Music and music.
Yeah, and then, Yeah, come like me against even some selector now where, them that get up and them and a man are virgin, but to a clash I put on, them know so the man that have a little coke habit. And then them go, oh, I'm a coke headed, and they go, foolishness.
Exactly.
That not for in class. Foolishness.
Life have to do with music.
You understand? Foolishness. Him woman left him because him get two jacket on the foolishness. You understand? That not to do with we are dealing with.
You understand? You don't do that. You don't bring people's personal business, them family out in the open like that. Music and music.
Yeah, okay.
So when you talk on the radio show and they say that, I said to myself, are you serious? Why would you even? And then that again. Then me looking at myself and me say, me can't understand because you have some radio show what have they have levels to them thing. You understand?
Yes.
They have levels and they have respect for themselves and their family. So certain things they're not going to entertain and
no, can not entertain certain things. Because you talk about the issue. Any issue we deal with that the issue. We deal with that issue. But you're not dealing with that issue. Me never believe in that in a clash. I deal with that issue. And I'm in a clash, and when you look him down and say, boy, yeah, man, we see him, woman, we understand him, woman actually live like dog, and come on.
Exactly.
I know personal why, just the music, exactly. I just music, come on, man, get real.
When you fun out of music, when you bring people personal life come in the music.
Yeah, and everything, the whole of them are just vanity. And the thing get up now, and it build, so we want, a solution, and him just recognize the thing, I want to work out something, and them thing are just done with. You understand me? I say, we have to try and make that work, man. Can't work. You see me? I say, him done for us, reach out back to him and everything, just blend out the thing and in any culture blend, Say it for just blend out and just work out it. You understand me? I say, but everybody happy.
Well, he needs to because at the end of the day, him coming like him a runaway train and a train have to stop, But
that's what I say. You understand?
He's a runaway train. And he have to stop, He have to stop, but I always stop. So he must know all he wants if he stop.
Yeah, and then when I get angry more because he might say, well, this, I want to run, go to this, and then he must say, boop, and people tell him this, and then him go up on a radio and then make some other thing will get to him.
I'm not telling him nothing, anything at all when company radio what him want push out. I'm telling you that. Because guess what? Me have this personal thing wrap up and tie up. You understand? Nobody now pass them place to even try to draw out our personal life in that again. Can me tell you something? Me take it on a legal level and me can't go to court. So nobody now want pass them place to come try to see if they can ruin nobody for social media like that anymore. Me cut that off. But I like to see somebody do that. You understand? And the music you need to deal with.
But the music.
And the music. A culture blend the sound we need to deal with. No personal thing that and the sound me want to deal with. And how he's going about doing it is wrong. You understand? If a radio show come and say one talk, and the radio show say talk about the clash, The clash where you win. You not stick to the clash where you win. The radio show not have to know your personal business what they go on with you and the other entity. Because it's a personal thing and you say you deal with it and we are deal with it. You don't have to put it out like that. Because you're going to try painting like say the other person wrong when you know in yourself. You understand? You're going to make, as I said before, Mr. Lonesome, we tried on numerous occasions. We went to persons that know him personally what's in the situation and tell him, say, hey, guess what? It can't go nasty, You might look like you're going to win, but just deal with the situation. But when time you're just greedy and you want it all for yourself and you know it is not all for you.
Yeah, for man no it's not film like that and them thing them for just don't hold out them neither. Say the man give money and spend them money and do them thing, want to take that from them neither. That nobody now give up that neither. So you know, say we know him put in him the whole time set speed, and then your husband spend a bag of money, and plus him buy the rights off of the other man thing, where I spend a bag of money. So you know why, you know, vice versa, you know want take them man the thing. You want work out the thing and make it right. And then you know what pushing your time, them not gonna take care, and take it for granted neither. So it can work out.
Nobody not gonna rally run what my husband say either, because my husband not go on social media and the internet me on social media, because I've done live 1 or 2 times, you know. And when me do it, I you know, I mean, defend what them talk bad about the family aspect of it. This is not keep
family,
the nose out of that.
Keep them family out of the business. Yeah, man, that's a foolishness.
Wanna draw with your family and this and the about this and the about.
That's a foolishness.
All of this. What you know nothing. What you know. You can't do that, because at the end of the day, it affects your work. It affects everything. Everybody is a ripple effect. They need to chill on that. He needs to chill on that. I'm tell us saying can't go say that, because one time he would have openly talk when I want to talk about, no matter about, is that the wrong to this and you know the other person, and we can't talk about it. Because you know he can't talk about it. Because so, shut him up front at the party. He can't talk about that.
You know, I don't know, I can talk to your husband later. I try to reach to him too, you know, but I want to talk to your husband. When him come in later, you make him call me, yeah?
Yeah, because he's at work.
Yeah, man. So when him come in later, definitely make him call me. I could just get to the whole story of this, and I could just put it to rest. One sentence for all, you know?
Rest, man. Bill. Just need for Bill.
All right.
You think we're proud of culture, Blaine? You think my husband not proud of the fact that I win clash too? Of course, because I use my husband material. My husband feel good. She say, yeah, but at the end of the day, he feels bad for saying can't be so really so him do. You understand? When you rise to fame, you have to rise clean, you know. You understand? You can't say you look fame and they rise the way or you rise. That's not right. Where the honor in that?
All right. We're gonna make the thing smooth again, man, because you know you want the sound and it have the name now and it a go on, so you want it keep up there and reach and keep up at the top and the whole I wanna eat food and the whole I wanna good. You understand? So me talk to your husband later. Yeah? All right. Yeah. Take care, man. Yeah, man. Because when you touch sound and music and them thing, they have to just reach out, you know, listen and then reach out with a positive message, you know. You see me I say and make them reach your consensus. Yeah, make the thing work. You understand? It can't work, you know. Can't work. You see me I say? And don't take the boots in from now. No, yes, man, from outside and come and try to mash up the thing, because it takes years to grow. And when it grow, all kind of things happen. You see me I say? So if you just keep it, we keep it real at all time. See me I say? Loan somebody there, yeah? Up. Later.